Devin Croswell with Sherpa Design, and we're going to take a quick look at the new Sketch Navigator in NX2406. Here I have a file open containing a sketch with some sketch objects. Let's jump in. Once in the sketch task environment, you'll notice that a new tab appears on the resource bar. This is the Sketch Navigator, and this tool will allow me to see what's happening within my sketch environment. We have some different tabs with information about the objects we're creating, including curves, relations, external references, and any issues that may exist in my sketch feature. The Sketch Navigator will allow us to investigate our sketch and help us properly set it up with the right information in order to have a very robust sketch feature. On the Curves tab, we can see the various sketch objects that have been added to my environment, as well as some reference curves, some reference objects. At the very top, we have the sketch itself, and in the status column, we can see if the sketch has been fully or partially defined. The reference objects for horizontal axis, vertical axis, origin, these are all fixed, and that's telling me here in the status column. And then for our curves, we either have movable curves or we have non-movable curves or fully defined curves. Some of these curves have a plus box. If I expand that, I can also see the dimension or relation that is helping to define these curves. On the Relations tab itself, we have a dimension folder as well as a persistent relations folder, and we can expand next to our dimensions and relations and see which curve objects we are helping to define. We also have a Found Relations folder. If I am interacting with some of my curves that may not be fully defined, and NX finds relations for me to investigate, they will fall into this folder. If I had any external references and bringing information into my part to design around, those would be listed here. Right now I just have a external sketch plane as well as an origin to reference and a horizontal reference direction. And then if I had any issues within my environment, they would be listed here. So in NX2406, we have our Sketch Navigator that will help us define and set up a robust sketch feature.